morning, Wisconsin. How are all my shades doing this morning? Well, we find ourselves finally getting to the blue bike parts. This is going to be Red Bull symbols and shit. Just one big one, a circle. This is the bottom of the bike. So we're going to have a circle out here and then the bull. So when you're sitting on it, you can see the bottom of it. And it's going to come together. But that's the before look with all the old paint on it, scratches and cracks and stuff like that. I got to take and sand a bunch of it down. You can see that it's been repainted before. So I'm going to put some primer on it and then block it and then put sealer on it and then base. It'll be the same kind of blue almost. It's a different shade of blue. And then clear it. And then I can put my Red Bull stickers on there after I cleared it with the blue on it and I like it. And then I'll scuff it again lightly, put the Red Bull stickers on it, and then re-clear it. So that's all the farther I've gotten here.